Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a major leap forward in APS-C mirrorless technology. Canon is gearing up to impress with what could be one of the most exciting APS-C mirrorless cameras in recent years. The upcoming EOS R7 Mark II is building on the solid foundation of the original R7, but with a host of next-gen improvements that photographers and videographers have been eagerly waiting for. One of the standout rumors is the introduction of Canon's first-ever APS-C stacked sensor, potentially surpassing their R7's 32.5 MP resolution. This new sensor design promises faster data readout, reduced rolling shutter, and enhanced performance in low-light settings. Video capabilities are getting a serious upgrade too, with the possibility of 8,000 recording and 4,000 at 120 fps. The R7 Mark II might just become a go-to option for high-resolution video shooters. These specs could offer incredible clarity and slow-motion flexibility, all while improved thermal management ensures longer shooting sessions without the risk of overheating. Autofocus is another area where this camera is expected to shine. Canon is rumored to be integrating advanced AI-driven tracking for subjects like people, animals, and vehicles. This means more accurate and reliable focus, especially helpful for action and wildlife photography. For those who crave speed, the R7 Mark II may deliver burst shooting at up to 40 frames per second. Combined with refined in-body image stabilization IBIS, potentially offering up to 8 stops of shake correction, this camera is shaping up to be a powerhouse for handheld and on-the-go shooting. Design-wise, Canon appears to be listening to user feedback. Expect more robust weather sealing, better build quality, and ergonomic tweaks like a more comfortable grip and thoughtfully placed buttons. On the practical side, enhancements to battery life and power efficiency could result in longer sessions without interruptions. Dual SD card slots and upgraded wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will also help streamline professional workflows. While we don't have an exact release date, industry whispers suggest a launch sometime in the third quarter of 2025. Price-wise, the R7 Mark II is expected to be a step up from its predecessor, potentially positioning itself as a competitor to models like the Sony A670 and Fujifilm X-H2S. If even half of these rumors turn out to be true, Canon's next APS-C mirrorless flagship could be a game-changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate hobbyist, this camera might be well worth the wait.